Hello everyone and welcome back to Azure Cloud Today. Today we are going to enroll your iPhone in Microsoft Intune end to end from scratch. If you have watched the last two videos in this series, then you already know what APNS does and you also understand the difference between user enrollment and device enrollment. Today, we are going to do a demo on BYOD device enrollment to Microsoft Intune. Here is what we are going to cover today. First, we will create the iOS enrollment profile in the Intune Admin Center. This is the admin side of things. Then I will show you exactly what your end users see on their iPhone by installing the company portal app and then signing in. Once we sign in, we would be requested to install the management profile. Once all of this part is complete, then we will jump back to our Intune Admin Center and view the enrolled device in Intune Admin Center. Before we dive into this, let me tell you what needs to be already in place for this to work. From the Intune side, you need your APNS certificate to be active. We covered that in the video of how to set up APNS in Intune, and I am going to drop an in-video card right now in case you missed it. Second is that your MDM authority has to be set to Intune. Third is that the enrolling user must have an Intune license already attached to them. Fourth is that iOS enrollment for BYOD scenarios must be allowed. On the device side, you need an iPhone running iOS 14 or later, stable Wi Fi connection, Safari as your default browser, and there should be no existing MDM profile already installed on your iPhone. If any of these are not in place, then the enrollment will fail. Now we are back in Intune Admin Center, logged in using our global administrator account. So the prerequisite checklist stated four things to be checked from the Intune side. Let's look at them one by one. To check the APNS certificate, let's go to Devices. We would select Expand the Platform Blade, click on iOS, iPadOS, or macOS. Let's go over here. Then we would expand the Device Onboarding Blade and click on Enrollment over here. And if you notice over here, this Apple MDM push certificate is already active. How do I know that? Because all these options are available to us. If this would have not been uploaded, then all these would have been grayed out for us. Now let's go in and check if the certificate is active or not. As you can see over here, the last updated date is 22/4/2026, and over here we have the expiration date. So this suggests that the certificate is active. Over here also you can see your status. So the first checklist from the Intune side is done. Let's go to the second one. For the second one, to check if the MDM authority is set to Intune or no, we would go to tenant administration over here. And then if you see over here, the MDM authority is set to Microsoft Intune. Let's now go and see if a license is assigned to our user that we are going to use to enroll the device. For that, if you want to stay from the same screen, then you can go and click users over here, then search for your user. My user is admin user that I am going to use. I would click on admin, then I would click on licenses over here. And now we can see that an Intune license is already assigned for this user. If I click over here, you can see Microsoft Intune Plan 1 license is assigned to this admin user. The fourth and the last one, we would have to see if iOS is allowed in enrollment restrictions. For that, we would go to devices over here. then click on iOS, iPadOS, click on enrollment over here. Then let's go to device platform restrictions. Let's click on iOS restrictions over here. Let's click on all users. Properties, and we would see that iOS, iPad OS is allowed as a platform and even personally owned, also called as bring your own device, is also set to allow over here. Now, since we have checked the prerequisites, let's create an enrollment profile for our iPhone. Let's go back to devices, then expand by platform. Let's click on iOS, iPadOS. Let's click on enrollment over here, and then we would select enrollment types over here. Over here at the top left, we would see create profile. Let's click. Then let's give a name to our enrollment. We would name it as iOS device enrollment dash BYOD. Click on next. We would select over here device enrollment with company portal. Then let's click on next. In the assignments, you either have to select add groups or add all users. So let's click on add all users. Let's go to next, review and create, hit on create. In this way, we have successfully created an enrollment profile. So if it still says no over here, then just reload the page and it will turn back to yes because we have assigned it to all users. That's all from the Intune side of the configuration for this. To install the company portal app, let's go to App Store, search for company portal, click on download over here. Let's click on open, click on sign in. Let's enter the username and password. Okay, I have entered my password now. Click on sign in. Okay, it is asking me for a tap code. Okay, it's just telling me to get notified. Okay. Would like to send you notifications. Allow. Let's click on begin over here. Here is what the organization can and cannot see or do on your device. So let's view this and let's click on continue. Let's click on continue over here. It's over here, it is downloading the management profile. Let's click on allow over here. Let's review the profile in the settings app. Okay, let's go over there, settings. Let's go to general, then VPN and device management. Let's click on this management profile that we see over here. Then let's click on install. Let me enter my device passcode. Installing this profile will change settings on your iPhone. Install. Okay, let's install this certificate. Trust. This has been successfully installed. Let's go back to our company portal again. Let's click on continue. As you can see, download management profile is done. Let's click on continue. Installment management profile is also done because we went over there and we installed it. Let's click on continue. This is now checking the device settings. It's saying you're all set. Let's click on done over here. So with that, we have successfully enrolled our iPhone in Microsoft Intune using device enrollment. Now let's go to Intune Admin Center and view our enrolled device from an admin's perspective. So for that, we will go to devices. Let's expand it by platform, go to iOS, iPadOS, and you will see that our device is now showing up in Microsoft Intune. From here, Intune can apply compliance policy, deploy apps, and enforce configuration. We are going to do all of this in the upcoming videos. So hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss out on anything. In the next video, we are going to zoom in on this exact device and look at what actually changed on the iPhone post enrollment. Thank you everyone for your attention. I'll see you at the next video.